Hello everyone, welcome to Archer Learnings, and in this video we're going to see how to replace text in Word document in UiPath Studio. And along with that, we're also going to see a problem which is in replace text. Here we can see it is welcome to Aditya Learnings, and I am Aditya. And if we replace Aditya with some other word, then it will replace perfectly because it is Aditya and it is Aditya. But the issue here is if it is a combined word, Aditya Learnings, and if you are replacing Aditya, then it will replace here and here as well. It will replace this particular word with that replace value, because we don't need to replace that value here because it is another word and this is another word we are replacing. So at the end of this video we're going to see the solution for this one, and we're going to see how the single replacement value happens with Word document, and later on we will see how we can achieve this in UiPath Studio. So before going to that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos, and if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you have any other doubts, please do mention them in the comment section below, and if you face any error or if you have any other suggestions, please do mention them in the comment section below. And let's get started with this word automation. So the first thing that I need to do here is drag a word application scope, and then I need to take this particular document, Word document, which is demo.docs here, and now after getting the application, opening the application or opening the Word document, we need to read that particular data which is present in this particular Word document. So I will use a read text activity, which is a Word document activity, read text. Here we need to provide this with the output variable. So let me create a variable which is docs data. So this is the input variable for us, and now after getting this variable, so let me take a message box to show you the data which is in the Word document, which is docs data, and here we will be using a replace text activity of the Word document package. So now what the word that we are searching for, let's say we are searching for Aditya and we are replacing that with Hari. So let's save this, and here you can see these two need to be changed, Aditya and Aditya. So let us run this and check whether it is doing the same thing or not. So if I click on debug now, the robot is starting. It will start the Word application and it will read the data, and then it will search for Aditya and then replace it with Hari. This is the message box of the whole content in the Word document. So if I click on OK, it need to replace Aditya here 2 times, and you can see it is replaced Hari and Hari. Let me open this again. Here you can see it is replaced, Aditya is replaced by Hari, and this works perfect. But the issue is here we will replace the old values. Aditya. So the issue here is when there is no space between these two words, then this need to be considered as a single word, right? And the replace doesn't need to replace this particular Aditya because it is another word that we are not searching for. Only Aditya is the single word that we are searching for, and it need to replace by Hari. So let us also see what is happening in this case, and then we will see the what is a workaround for this and how we gonna replace a single word instead of this replace. So this is the data which is present in here, and we can see those two values got changed. So let me open this Word document. So here you can see this also got changed. this is not at all required for us because only Aditya need to be replaced. So this is the issue that many of us are facing. So we will see a workaround for this in this video, as I said earlier. So let me make it as this Aditya Learnings and Aditya. So now it only, after this workaround, it only need to replace I am Aditya as I am Hari, and it don't need to touch the Aditya Learnings, and it need to be seen. So let me save this and close this one. Now what's the workaround here is, instead of using the replace text value which is given by the UiPath word package, instead of that use a string replace function, which is a string replace. Here it is, the string replace. Drag and drop this one, and then use a message box activity to see what the value that is changed. For this regular expression, what you need to give here is the input value is doxed data, and the replacement value is Hari. And so that we have given the input data value and then the replacement value. So this is not required for us in this workaround. So let me comment this one. Now before going here, you need to write a regular expression. We are going to match that particular word with a regular expression pattern so that it will match that exact word. So what you need to do the changes in this particular replace is, here you need to check this advanced option, and here you need to make sure that it is exactly one, and then save. Now we need to create an input variable so that it will be the input where you are getting the replace value from the user. So I will be giving here as Aditya, and then here usually how we write the regular expression pattern is, here we will write Aditya, and if you mention like this, it will match Aditya everywhere, like the replace text works as the Word document. But we don't need, and here you need to open a character set. After Aditya, you don't need any word character to be appeared, so that this indicates that the negation of word characters where the numbers or the any other digits will be allowed after Aditya, so that we will exactly match Aditya in this case. So if there is a pattern Aditya, and then it is to be replaced by Hari. This will be, after doing this, there will be an output result which is the new string of this particular replace function. So let us declare that as updated docs data. So let me show you that updated docs data, and if I debug this one right now, you can see how it is gonna replace in that particular data in the Word document. The robot is started now. Then this is the message. Here you can see it is Aditya Learnings and I am Aditya. It need to replace only Aditya here. So here you can see it replaced only Aditya, but what it is replacing here is, after Aditya there is space and then un. So it is considering that space also in this particular value. So here there are a couple of changes needed here. That is, after Hari, you need to after any value that is replacement value, you need to provide a space, because it is considering the space after that particular word in any of the following text that is in the Word document. So you need to provide a space, and then here it is a what I can say is a hard-coded string Aditya. So we need to pass it as a variable value which varies every time in the execution. So how we can do that is, instead of passing this, let us split this one. Let us take this and here, and let us take another place here, and then double quote, here in this Aditya, let us pass our variable here. So that our variable is input. So this is how you gonna make this happen. So let me run this again and see whether it is doing exactly what it is required to do, or it is doing any extra things that may not require in this particular replace value. So the robot is started now. Here you can see the value that is present in the Word document, and this is the replaced value. That is exactly what we required. It is I am Hari, that is replaced only one time in the Aditya. In the Aditya learnings it is not replaced. So but it is not writing back to the document because we are not using the replace text which is already given by the Word packages. So it is not writing back to the Word document. It is only displaying us in this particular message box because it is a string manipulation function. So what we need to do is let me uncomment this replace text and then drag it down. Now instead of here giving Aditya, it need to search for the initial value which is docs data and replace it with updated docs data. So let me save this and run this now. This is our final workflow to exactly match the word which is given by the user in the Word document and replace it with the replacement value. So the robot started now, and this is the text which is in the Word document, and this is the replaced value, and you can see that replaced value is changed exactly how we required. So let me open this again, and here it is. You can see it is not replaced Aditya, it only replaced Aditya with which is a single word. So this is how we achieve this particular automation, word automation. This is just a workaround for this, and it is not only the method that you can do like this, but it is one of the method to achieve this kind of automation in Word, because it is replaced with using that replace text activity. It is replacing any value which consists that particular wording, any type 1 2 3 1 2 3. If it is 1 2 3 4, then it is also replacing the 1 2 3 in the initial word in that particular document. So this is it for this video of replacing a particular string in Word document. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you have any other doubts, please do mention them in the comment section below, so that we can have a shoot out of the questions and clarify them. And if you have any other suggestions, so please do mention them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.